Meron ka bang boundary?
Well, that boundary seems to be pushed every script we get. Halos every script na. So, parang direct, hindi po ako comfortable na ganito na or sa ganitong paraan siya magsasalita or, oh, that's too much, it's too much soap-like. Let's make it a bit more realistic. Tapos minsan sinasabihan pa ako ng director na, Miss Pinky, i-attack mo emotionally, hindi lang galit. Lagyan mo ng emosyon at sakit. Yun, Mina, alam mo, sa totoong buhay, kung kami ni Carmina ay hindi magkalaban, panay bungis-gis lang gagawin namin. Kasi she's such an easygoing person, right? And we're both palatawa. It just so happens that we're at odds with each other the whole time. But, you know, she's very respectful. She always says sorry kung nasaktan. And I always ask her, nasaktan ka ba? Hindi, kasi it's taking care of your co-actor. Diba? Wag naman nating sobre na, basta ganito, ganun.